I can't drink properly the water because I'm shaking. Like oh gosh, I'm so grateful today. I'm so happy. Thank you so much, Diamond Man. I can't believe. 'Di ba you see? You witnessed it. Oh, wait lang. Someone send me gift in private message. You see, 'di ba you witness already there's a lot of people coming, but then less of the people sending gifts. 'Di ba? Diamond Man, thank you so much, Diamond Man. I never expect that coming too much, as in. No. Oh, I'm still shaking. I can't believe it. Thank you, Diamond Man. Love you, Diamond Man. Kenchan! Sabi ko, hindi ko papansinin si Kenchan ngayon kasi parang ano. Inaway ako ng Kenchan. Freak like me. Don't ya? Yay! I hit! Oh my god! Ala! You still have one! Don't you wish your girlfriend was oh, it's three! Like oh my god! Don't you wish your girlfriend was that's too much now! Hello guys! That's too much diamond! Oh my god! Yeah! Oh, I love beach. I love beaches. See, I love diving. Tujuain mo ako. Leave them alone. Hello po. Follow Chawi. Thank you everyone. Only. Hello. Jujuain mo ko. Talaga? Let's get forward. I'm so happy today. Thank you. Parang napipil ko I'm gonna go in one box today. Charis! Oy guys, please. I'm gonna have to. Charis. Thank you, Diamond Man. I never expect that coming talaga, guys. As in. Everything is worth it today, ha? Oh, like me. Don't you wish your girlfriend was fun like me? Thank you so much. Ay, nako. I'm gonna sleep happy today. When I come through, it's the God Almighty looking all brand new. Shorty wanna jump in my ass, still van Jewish. Diamond Man, thank you. Boom Queen. Thank you, Boom Queen. You wanna play with a player girl and play on? Trip out the Chanel and leave the lingerie on. Watch me and I'ma watch you at the same time. Looking like you won't break my back. You're the very reason why I keep a pack of the Magnum. And with the wagon, hit you with the back of the Magnum. But the record don't think it was something you did. Shorty all on me cause it's hard to resist the kid. I got an idea. Yo, I'm so happy. Like 100%. Kenneth! So no, I'm so grateful. Maybe the last time. Yes, thank you. Thank you, Diamond Man. Thank you so much. Like 100%. Thank you so much. Thank you, Diamond Man. See you next when you are not busy, when you have time. God bless and take care always. I'm always be here waiting for you. Thank you, Diamond Man. You made my day. Thank you so much. Thank you again. Thank you. Thank you so much. See you around. Take care always. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I'm so happy, cha la 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 la. It's tonight to be happy, cha la la la. Happy, cha la la la. Kenchan! Hi, Foincy! Tignan nyo yung kilay ko nung wala na yung kilay ko. Sabi ko, hindi ko papansinin si Kenchan ngayon kasi inaaway ako ni Kenchan. Thank you! Actually, he's my admin before and now also, even now. Kasi hindi ko siya ni-remove as my admin. So, I'm grateful. Naka 10K ako. Oh my God! Sana one box na tayo today.